Just a quick talk about this. I did take this outside. You'll see the video on this. Um, all I can say is this is, I can't say it's going to be wind resistant. Obstacle avoidance did not do what it was supposed to do. GPS kept on kicking in and kicking out. It's a great flyer. I can't tell you that. Wicked slow. There's no way it has the power to go through the wind. I think it's a little high in price, maybe because of all the LEDs on it. But aerial photography probably be great on a non-windy day. I think this is a very, to tell you the truth, with the speed and the way it reacts, it actually would make a great flyer for somebody that's just trying to learn. I definitely say this is a great learning one. But somebody that likes to go quick and fast and speed around the yard, nah, that's not what this is. But yeah, she's very agile, but she's super slow, and the wind will take this away. There is no way this will fight the wind. So she'd be like a low flyer. But anyway, you'll see the video, and again, like I tell you all, don't depend on these obstacle avoidance. So let's get to the video. Oh, do we have all GPS? Yes, we have them all. Oh, wow, the lights are flashing. They should be solid. No, GPS is lost again. That's why it's flashing. Taking off GPS mode. That's speed 1. Oh, it's not floaty at all. Ooh, ooh. There's no wind now, so I can't say that it's good with the wind. That's speed 2. Still slow. Not a fast quad. Not at all. There's no trims on this, just to let you know. It's all gyros. So if you can't fly, that was speed 2. Speed 1, 2, 1 and 2. Just 2 speeds. Wow. There's only 2 speeds on this, guys. Wow. So this is not a fast flying quad. Very slow. Wow. Look at that. That's speed 2. I could run faster than this. Maybe because it's house mode. Well, if I put the GPS back on. Do I get another speed? 1, 2, no, 1 and 2. That's it. It's still just as slow. Yep. Still slow. Nice flying though. I don't think she's worth the money, but nice flyer. I don't think she would handle the wind at all. GPS or not. Cool lights. But I can tell by the speed that that's speed 1, speed go. That's high speed. Did you see that trying to get through the wind? It would not make it. No way. Only 2 speeds. I knew that was good. Slow, fast up. Oh, slow down. Beautiful lights though. And them lights. They're back there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me bring it out here. But yeah, that's really sad. That's the only speeds you have. 2. Try this optical shit. Supposedly it's not supposed to crash. But let's see. Look how slow she goes. Oh my gosh. She hit the fence? Yes, she will. She hit the door? Let's go see. It's supposed to have obstacle avoidance. I don't know if you've seen a preview of this. They make this thing look like go a million miles an hour. That's why I say this is honest reviews. No bullshitting around here like they think. Okay, they had it flying between some pillars. Let's see. Did she crash or not? Because once she crashes, I'm going to call it a flight night. Because this is baloney. Look at that. That's your obstacle avoidance, people. Remember that. Don't trust it.